Thubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
MLA Jingsylla Assam Aminul Islam nakaseng All India United Democratic Front kabadan ha kalyang persya ula sya kem halor kajing kentho jong ha kabayde ber kajing sya siat yap kibriu ha kile no ha pahalgam bat sakawai pat kajingja kabakham slem ha Pulwama hajamu and Kashmir Aminul Islam hindin kasing ula Kynnoh bakajing primathai bom jong ka kanhun jong ki sipai ka Central Reserve Police Force ha Pulwama ha ubanai rempang ar hajar khat khandai bat kajing penyap yaki ar phunriu mut kinong wan jungok kai perthai ha pahalgam kidei ki Jingsylla jong ka Sorkar halor kani kajing kren jong Islam kabala sapriang baha hakidan san social media na kalyang ki pulet ka Assam kila mudoi mukot duma persya ya Islam Menteri Rangba ka Jilla Assam Hima Biswa Sharma ulayathu bau MLA ka AIUDF unsya pengat kat kumkaan habaya kren sya kinong tho khubor Menteri Rangba ka Jilla Assam ulaong bangidang persyang banle AA persya ya kinu ki ba persyang banyada ya ka Pakistan hadin ka Jingsha Thombor lalap ya ka jingkren bat kidur ki jong MLA Aminul Islam hakirin san social media balalap ba uday ubakersyan ya ka Pakistan kumta ngilap mudoy mukoduma
strong action against everyone who is directly or indirectly trying to support or trying to defend Pakistan. One of our MLA from United Democratic Front, Sri Aminul Islam, has said yesterday certain things which has angered people of Assam. I have reviewed the video and I have seen that video has been posted in a manner to defend Pakistan in the Pakistan and its complicity in the terrorist attack. I have instructed Assam Police to take strong action against the MLA. DGP has informed me that he has been arrested and he has been booked in the charge of sedition. So we'll take this case to the logical conclusion. I'd like to warn everybody who is in Assam that any attempt to defend Pakistan directly or indirectly will be taken head on and will take strongest possible action. The action against the MLA is one such example, but we can go further and we'll hunt down each and everybody whoever try to support directly or indirectly Pakistan, and this is what we have conveyed in strongest possible terms to my police and also to the other law enforcing agencies.